Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we're talking about the interlock ignition devices that people have that if they've been found guilty or plead guilty for DWI, they're required to have on cars that they operate. Nowadays, we're recommending in compliance with some of the new laws to have them installed ahead of time so that once they go to court with the interlock and an interlock license, and the judge does not have to, quote, revoke or suspend their driver's license. So, how to obtain an interlock device? Well, number one, they have to install with an approved device with an approved provider. There's state certified vendors that will do the breath alcohol ignition interlock device. Then they have to obtain the appropriate insurance on the interlock. Then they have to provide documentation of the interlock certificate, lease contract, and invoice to the motor vehicles. And they have to go to one of the regional places. They can't just go to the neighborhood motor vehicle office. They have to pay the $100 fee to the motor vehicles, and the device has to be serviced every 30 days to avoid violations. The key is that the person, if they've been pled guilty or found guilty to DWI, can only operate a vehicle that has the interlock on it. And to do it, you need to have a valid New Jersey driver's license at the time of the arrest. So if someone's license was already suspended or revoked for something else, they can't do that. And the contract typically lasts between 3 and 15 months. So if someone had a DWI and it was reduced to reckless, but they got the interlock ahead of time, they still got to pay for the 3 points. For more information on interlock, there's articles on website njlaws.com and benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation in DWI and serious motor vehicle matters, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.